think recycling was invented by Italians. Why? Because they don't throw out anything. How do I know that? Because I grew up in a Sicilian family. A Sicilian family doesn't throw out anything. You know, back in the day, I used to take out the garbage, and our garbage was the smallest one of the whole block. People had big black garbage bags out on the curb. I used to go out with a little Walmart bag. Just bring it out to the curb. That's all our garbage for the whole week. Why? Because the butter containers, the cheese containers, the ricotta containers, any kind of container was washed and put away. Not thrown out. No, because cuando facciamo la salsa, we put it in there and we label it, if you're lucky. Otherwise, when you go in the freezer and you open it up, you get a surprise. Also, papers and bottles, oh yeah, they have a use for everything. The bottles are for the screws and the nails and the bolts. And the paper, well, they could always rewrap something with it later. So, che fa? Then the compost, yeah, they don't throw that out either. È buono per giardino. What are you talking about? So everything we used to peel that was edible, that we didn't eat, that they used to feed the pigs back in the day, they used to keep in a different container. I get another container. And then at the end of the week, make a hole in the garden, dump it in, and bury it. Perché è buono per giardino. It would save them money on composting. So guys, this is why I think recycling was invented by Sicilians, or at least Italians, because I'm sure it's not only Sicilians that do it. But I, as a Sicilian, believe it came from our roots. Ciao!